Hello, hello, and a big welcome to English Corner, the podcast that's all about helping you speak English with confidence, joy, and a sprinkle of fun. I'm Jackson, your friendly guide, here to walk you through simple, everyday steps to make English feel natural. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along, repeat after me, and feel amazing about your progress. Whether you're a beginner or just want to sound more fluent, this podcast is for you. In today's episode, we're diving into something super exciting: how to practice English every single day, no matter how crazy your schedule is, where you live, or how nervous you feel about speaking. You don't need to pack your bags and move to London or New York. You don't need hours of free time or a perfect accent. All you need are small, smart habits that fit right into your life like your favorite pair of jeans. These habits will make English feel less like homework and more like a fun part of your day. Ready to get started? Let's jump in with a big smile. The magic of shadowing, your English superpower. Let's kick things off with one of my favorite tricks to boost your speaking skills: shadowing. Don't worry if you've never heard of it. It's super simple and incredibly powerful. Shadowing is like being an English echo or a parrot copying sounds. It helps you improve your speaking, listening, and confidence all at the same time. Here's how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, like me right now, and you try to repeat exactly what they say, copying their speed, tone, and rhythm. You don't need to understand every word. You don't need a dictionary. Just mimic the sounds like you're playing a fun game. Let's give it a try together. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. Don't be shy. Just have fun with it. I'm learning English, and it's awesome. Now you repeat. I practice a little every day. Repeat. Speaking English makes me happy. Repeat. Great job. How did that feel? Maybe a little silly at first, right? That's totally okay. Shadowing is like teaching your mouth to dance to the rhythm of English. It trains your brain and tongue to work together so you sound smoother and more natural. The best part? You only need 5-10 minutes a day. Try shadowing a podcast, a song, or a short video clip. Over time, you'll notice pronunciation getting clearer, your speaking getting faster, and your confidence soaring. It's like a mini workout for your English skills with huge results. Why practicing every day is the key. Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about why practicing every day matters. Many learners tell me, "Jack, I want to speak English fluently, but I'm so busy. I feel shy when I open my mouth. I don't live in an English-speaking country, so how can I practice?" I get it. Life is hectic, and speaking a new language can feel scary. But here's the good news. You don't need a lot of time, a perfect accent, or a native speaker next to you. You just need small, consistent steps that fit into your real life. Think of learning English like growing a plant. You don't water it once a month and expect it to bloom, right? You give it a little water every day and it grows strong and beautiful. English is the same way. Small daily habits like listening for 10 minutes or speaking one sentence add up to big progress. These habits make English feel like a natural part of your life, not a big stressful project. So, let's explore 5 super easy, super fun ways to practice English every day, no matter where you are or how busy you are. 5 simple ways to practice English every day. Here are 5 practical tips to make English a fun, natural part of your routine. Each one is designed to fit into your busy life, so you can practice without feeling overwhelmed. Let's dive in. 1. Listen to English every day like background music. Listening is the secret sauce to speaking better. The more you hear English, the more your brain soaks up its sounds, words, and rhythms. It's like training your ears to become English experts. You don't need to understand every word, just let the language flow into your life like your favorite playlist. How to do it? Pop on a podcast like Speak Easy while you're walking, cooking, or chilling out. Watch short YouTube videos, English songs, or news clips made for learners. Try audiobooks, kids' stories, or even movie trailers in English. Aim for 10-15 minutes a day. Even if you only catch 20% or 30% of the words, that's progress. Pro tip: listen while you do other things like brushing your teeth, driving, or folding laundry. Make English your background music and your brain will start picking up new words and phrases without you even trying. Let's practice. Say this with me. I listen to English every day and it feels great. Repeat. 2. Shadow what you hear, use your voice. Listening is awesome, but speaking is where the magic happens. Shadowing takes your listening practice to the next level by getting your voice involved. It's like a game where you copy the speaker's words, tone, and energy. This helps you sound more natural and feel braver when you speak. How to do it? Pick a short audio clip, a podcast, a song, or a YouTube video. Listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat it. Try to match the speaker's speed and vibe. Here's an example. I'm getting better at English every day. Now repeat. Mistakes help me learn and grow. Repeat. I'm proud of my progress. Repeat. Do this for 5-10 minutes a day. At first, you might stumble or miss words. That's okay. The goal is to train your mouth to move like a native speaker's. Over time, your pronunciation will get sharper, and you'll feel more confident. Fun challenge. Shadow a funny video or a movie line you love. Pretend you're the actor. It's super fun. 3. Think in English, one tiny thought at a time. Want to speak English faster and more naturally? Start thinking in English. When you translate from your native language, it slows you down and makes speaking feel harder. Thinking in English skips that step and helps your brain connect directly to the language. How to start? Begin with short, simple sentences in your head during your day. Examples. Morning. It's a beautiful day. I'm drinking coffee. Afternoon. I'm working hard. I need a snack. Evening. I'm relaxing. I love this show. Once you're comfortable, whisper these thoughts out loud or say them quietly to yourself. This is like having a secret English conversation with yourself. It builds your confidence and makes speaking feel more natural. Start with 1 or 2 thoughts a day, and soon you'll be thinking in English without even trying. Let's practice. Think or say, I'm learning English and it's fun. Repeat. 4. Read aloud. Be an English rock star. Reading silently is great for learning new words, but reading aloud is like a superpower for your speaking skills. It helps your mouth, tongue, and brain team up to make English sound smooth and clear. Plus, it's a fun way to feel like a pro. How to do it? Choose something short and simple. A kid's book, a news article for learners, or a dialogue from a video. Read it slowly and clearly the first time. Read it again, a little faster. Read it one more time with lots of expression, like you're acting in a play or telling a story to a friend. Example. Try reading this aloud. Today is a great day to learn English. I'm excited to practice and get better. Do this for 5-10 minutes a day. It's like going to the gym for your voice. Your pronunciation gets stronger, your fluency improves, and you start to feel like an English rock star. Pro tip: record yourself reading aloud and listen back. You'll be amazed at how much you improve over time. 5. Live with English. Make it part of your world. Here's the big secret to becoming fluent. Don't just study English, live with it. Make English a natural part of your day, like your morning coffee or scrolling on your phone. When you use English in your real life, it stops feeling like a school subject and starts feeling like you. Fun ways to live with English. Switch your phone to English. Every time you unlock your phone, you'll see words like settings, messages, or battery low. It's like free vocab lessons all day long. Write a 3-sentence diary. At the end of the day, jot down 3 short sentences about your day. Example: I had a busy morning. I ate pizza for lunch. I'm watching an English show tonight. This builds your writing and thinking skills. Record a 1-minute voice note. Open your phone and talk for 1 minute about your day, your plans, or something fun. Example: today was great. I went for a walk and saw a cute dog. Tomorrow I'll practice more English. Listen to it to catch mistakes and track your progress. Join an online English community. Find learners on WhatsApp, Discord, or apps like Tandem or HelloTalk. Send short messages, share voice notes, or ask questions like, "What's your favorite English word?" It's like making new friends while learning. Watch short videos and repeat. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are packed with quick, fun English videos. Watch one a few times, pause, and repeat the sentences. Copy the speaker's tone and energy. It's like a mini shadowing session. Why this works? These small actions turn English into a habit. Instead of saying good morning in your native language, say good morning. Instead of writing a grocery list in your language, write milk, bread, eggs. Instead of watching a 5-minute video in your language, watch one in English. These tiny changes add up to big confidence and fluency. Let's practice. Say this with me. English is part of my life and I love it. Repeat. Why these tips are game changers. These 5 habits, listening, shadowing, thinking, reading aloud, and living with English, are so powerful because they're easy and flexible. You don't need to carve out hours or move to an English-speaking country. You don't need perfect grammar or a fancy teacher. You just need 10-15 minutes a day and a willingness to try. Here's the best part. Mistakes are your friends. Every time you stumble over a word or mix up a sentence, you're learning. Every time you speak, you're getting braver. And every time you make English part of your day, it becomes less like study and more like a natural part of who you are. That's when real fluency starts to shine. Your action plan? Start small, dream big. Before we wrap up, let's make a super simple plan to get you started. Pick one of these tips to try today. Maybe listen to this podcast again and shadow 3 sentences. Or write 3 sentences about your day in English. Or change your phone's language to English. Start with one small step and tomorrow, add another. Next week, try a new tip. Here's a fun challenge. For the next 7 days, spend 10 minutes a day doing one of these habits. Maybe Monday is listening, Tuesday is shadowing, Wednesday is thinking in English, and so on. Write down what you do each day and how it feels. You'll be amazed at how much progress you make in just 1 week. Learning English is like going on an exciting adventure. Some days you'll feel like a superhero. Other days you might feel stuck or shy. That's all part of the journey. Keep showing up, keep trying, and keep smiling. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be you, speaking English one small step at a time. You've got this, and I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Thanks for joining me on Speak Easy. I'll be back next time with more fun, easy ways to make English your own. Until then, keep practicing, keep shining, and make English part of your world.